Hi again. This is my run through of Jingle Bells from the original Music Hub Guitar Book 1. This is found on page 58. The tricky thing with this song that I've mentioned to the students that play it is the G chord in the chorus there that you'll see occurs part way through the bar. So that means you're still playing a D chord at the very start of that bar, then halfway through it we go into the G. So it will be D2, G2. Here's what the song should sound like from the start. Try and get a wee bit of a strum pattern going for this. Don't just play it down strums the whole way through. Probably play something more like a down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. You can finish that song any way you want.